Hi and welcome back to another football shirt review. Today we are looking at the Manchester United home shirt for the 95-96 season. Now this shirt is actually one of my favourites from Manchester United because this was one of the main ones when growing up that a lot of people were wearing. The shirt itself comes in a standard bag. On the flip side, it does have our usual health warnings. As you can see, just from the little glimpse there, this is the shirt that's got Old Trafford printed into the material. So this shirt was purchased off of DHGate. I will leave a link to the seller in the description of this video. If you are new around here, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to my channel because I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. You can leave any comments, questions or messages below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But yeah, what we'll do now is we'll get this bag open. I am actually really excited to see this one because it's just oozing nostalgia for me. So yeah, really looking forward to getting the bag open and having a look at this Manchester United home shirt from the 95-96 season. Okay, as we move into the shirt, we'll start with the collar. It's got a traditional collar. I love the retro shirts with these collars, absolutely fantastic. It looks fine. A little bit of loose cotton or material there, but to be fair, you tend to see that a lot on these replica retros. Here we've got some United, so is this meant to be a view of the Manchester United crowd maybe? So obviously, as I said, we've got the Old Trafford embroidered in, not embroidered, sorry, printed into the material down here. So I wonder if that's meant to be like the fans. Got United there. Umbro is printed into the material. Manchester United badge embroidered on. That's quite nice actually. And the sharp is printed into the material as well. Obviously when you've got these ones that have got the items printed into them, they're absolutely perfect. Stitching looks good. It's looking tidy as. Absolutely just love seeing Old Trafford in there. Like I said, this one just reminds me of so many of my friends wearing this shirt when we were growing up playing football. We'll flip it over and we'll look at the back. Not a lot to call out on the back of this one. Again, we've got the Old Trafford in there, which I absolutely, I've said it a few times now, I absolutely love that. I think that's such a good idea to do something like that. I remember being a Blackburn fan, Blackburn did something kind of similar, not having Ewood Park in there, but they had all like wording into the material. One of my favourite shirts, probably around the same sort of time actually, like 96, 97 maybe. It was when they had the CIS yellow shirt. I think it looks so nice when it's into the material because it's absolutely perfect then. Yeah, it looks as tidy as can be. And so this is a DHGate one, so I will leave the description. Actually, I'll leave it in the description who the seller is. It is my usual seller. Not a lot to call out on this one because I haven't got a name and number on there. A name and number would look good because it's just a plain back, but it would then take away from the Old Trafford in there. Okay, we're on the inside of the shirt now, and we can see a bit better what's printed on the collar. So it is Manchester United. I mentioned Manchester United crest is embroidered in, and that looks absolutely perfect. A little bit of loose stitching up there, but no, that is absolutely spot on. Obviously the Umbro is going to be perfect, it's in the material, likewise with the sharp. Absolutely perfect. Just looking under the arms, stitching all looks tidy on that side. And likewise, it looks tidy on that side. I do love a good retro shirt. We have our standard tag over here. Is it an Umbro one? It is an Umbro one. Recommendation, as always, is hand wash and let it dry naturally. With this one, you probably could put it in there in a washing machine at a normal setting because you've got no printing on there. But I suppose you run the risk then of it shrinking. So for me, it's always going to be gentle hand wash setting on your washing machine. Okay, we've got the final part of the shirt now, and it is an Umbro XL. Got XL there, but the recommendation with these ones is to size up. This is a retro one, so Yeah, if you want the retro feel, then definitely size up, because if you remember back in like 95, 96, these sort of shirts were always worn baggy. So it does have the Authentics, the Heart and Soul official Umbro tag, nothing on the inside, but again size XL there. If you want a normal size fitting, you could wear the standard size, but for me, being a retro shirt, you want it to kind of hang like a retro one, so yeah, you've got to wear it as a size up, I would say. Not a lot to call out on this side. You can't actually see the Old Trafford. I just want to thought with not seeing how. Maybe it's because it's red, I don't know, but the material's got a bit of weight to it, which is nice actually. It is nice for a retro shirt. So it's not see-through, although once I've zoomed out a little bit, you probably can make out the other side. But the material is definitely a good quality material. And there it is, there's our Manchester United shirt for the 95-96 season. It's a lovely home shirt, this one. As I said at the start of the video, this one just screams out my youth. I remember so many people wearing this one, like when we were playing football down the park. So for me, this is a massive favourite shirt. I'm not a Manchester United fan, but yeah, the nostalgia this screams is absolutely amazing. Seller for this one is DHGate. I will link to the actual seller in the description of this video so you can check them out. If you are looking to buy any, let me know. Leave a comment or a message below. Let me know what you think to this seller or to even to this shirt. Let me know if you own this shirt and what the differences are from this one to the official one. Always good to know. And if you are new, make sure you hit the like and subscribe to my channel, as I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. There we have it. Manchester United home shirt for the 95-96 season. Love, love, love the Old Trafford in it. One of my favourite Manchester United shirts of all time. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.